In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create a new user on your Mac. Now first, if you have system settings in your dock, you can press it here. However, if you don't have system settings in your dock, you can come up to the little Apple logo here in the top left hand corner and come down to system settings. Now on the system settings, you want to scroll here on the left, come down to users and groups. Now on the users and groups, you can click this add account here. You will need to enter your password, so I'll just quickly enter that. And then you want to select unlock. Now the first option you have is to choose which account you would like, and you have a choice between administrator, standard, sharing only or group. If you want to find out more about each one, you can press the question mark here in the bottom left hand corner. However, the best option is to just choose standard. So we'll have to enter the name. Once you click into the account name, it'll auto populate. You can change this, however I'll just leave it the same. And then we want to enter a password, then verify the password, and then enter a password hint. Once you've done that, you simply click create user, and depending on what Mac you have will depend on how quickly the new user is made. As you can see, the new user is made here, so we can get rid of that window. And if you want to change the user, you can come up to this switch user here at the top, and then you can select the user here, or when you next turn your Mac off, when you turn the Mac back on, the new user will be listed and you'll have a choice between which user you go on. And that is how to quickly make a new user on your Mac.